walking on the snow.
Going to the Atlantis.
Come, get around, hold it.
The snow seems fine. The snow's very fragile.
Slippery!
But I am doing just fine. Kind of.
God.
The struggle is real.
I'm gonna swim.
Oh. My God, it's so deep and so slippery. Oh. Oh. Ice.
I'm tired.
It's usually like a little bit higher. Oh.
Yeah. Now it's snow. Under the snow is ice, you know? And then under the ice, snow.
Come. There's so much here.
You slide. Look, the slide is full of ice. You can slide with ice.
Other side.
It's so risky, so slippery. Oh, oh. See?
And Aditi can walk nicely.
Yeah, they're using boots. And also they're lightweight.
I'm gonna try something.
This is the thickness
Of the upper layer. Yeah. Oh. Oh. The wind is from that side, that's why.
Yeah. That's extreme.
One, two, three.
Yay!
Have ice.
It's full of ice anyway. Come on, Daddy, let's do a race.
1, 2, 3. We have to go to
You can break.
3 toward 3. Until there we have to go and come back. Okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice, baby.
Yeah.
I have some for the food.
Yeah.
I win.
Who's that?
Egg. Dinosaur egg.
Be careful with the suspect. Yeah, you didn't take his dinosaur and you broke it. Oh my God, I keep falling.
go home.
Wanna play?
Come, we can still play snow there
Okay.
in front of the house.
Then let's go to her house.
Oh. Look at the sand. The winter, so beautiful.
Okay.